Welcome to FlashFilm Academy's Flash 5, where I'll be unboxing this product and asking 5 questions to get to one answer. Can you make money with the LensGo LWM 320C? Before we get to those 5 questions, let's unbox this unit and talk about why you would even need something like this. The LensGo LWM 320C has been provided to me by LensGo, but if it's trash, I'm gonna tell you it's trash. However, it's a decent entry-level lav system with one really good trick up its sleeve. Let's start with unboxing this unit. This unit is fairly straightforward, very simple. It comes with the 2 units itself, your lav mics, and the cables to connect it to either your camera or your cell phone. I do love the finish and feel of the devices. They've worked hard to make the devices at least feel high-end. Up next, let's talk about key features. The main key feature and reason to buy this unit is the fact that the transmitter can record audio to an SD card internally as well as transmit the signal to the receiver. That is huge if you are at an event or you're capturing audio at a place where there's a lot of cell phone or wireless signals and there's some type of issue. That is very important. It is a great feature designed to help you CYA. Cover yo, and you know what that A stands for. I'm gonna let you figure that out. But it's something that you don't see on a whole lot of lav systems, especially a lot of cheap lav systems, but you got it here. Next key feature is a 5-hour battery life, which is decent, and a range of about 500 feet. Up next, let's talk about the pros of using this unit. This unit takes AA batteries. Some people don't think that's a pro. I do. There's nothing greater than popping it back off, throwing fresh batteries in, and handing it right back to the speaker. It is a lifesaver. Batteries that charge up are okay, and they're great whenever you're doing some really quick run and gun stuff, but if I'm doing interviews or something like that, I want fresh batteries all the time. Let me say this, it has a decent mic, and I am not going to do an audio test because I feel like a lot of YouTubers get you guys or put bad thoughts in your head with audio tests. Let's be real, it's a cheap mic set. Your microphone isn't going to be the greatest, and on 99.9% of all lav systems that are out, the mic is usually the weak spot. I tell people to invest in great mics and use them with cheaper sets, and you will have the same results as some of those higher end lav mics that you like, that you think sound better. The only difference is the mic is better. I like to use Sennheiser mics with every lav system I own. In fact, I'll leave a link below. You can click on it. These mics cost about as much as this system, if not more, but the sound quality they produce on any system is remarkable. You need to understand that even if you have a lav system now and you don't like the way it sounds, before you upgrade your system, upgrade your lav mic. Up next, let's talk about the cons of using this unit. The idea that you can record a backup audio file to your SD card is great. The thing I don't like is you can't really control it. Like once it's on, it's recording. And it's not always a great thing. Like you can't start and stop it. It's just always recording. So what happens if you run out of space? Which you probably won't, because you know, with a 16 gig card, you can probably record like 28 hours of audio, but still, I don't want to have to go through a day worth of audio to find the 5 minutes I recorded during my interview. I also wish it was 32-bit float, but that's me being picky at this price point. Let me be real with you. Like I want everything to be 32-bit float. I'm not gonna BS you. I want 32-bit float on my camera, but we can't get it, especially not at this price point. Third, you have to go deep in the menus to control the recording settings for the internal recording. I don't like that. I wish there was an app or something you can connect to it and you can start, stop, or record it from wherever you are. But you gotta go deep in the menus to do like low cut filters and stuff like that. I'm grateful for that, but I just think it wasn't well thought out. Up next, let's talk about who this item is for. This item is for beginners. Beginners who not only want to step up their production quality by improving audio over in-camera audio, but they want to make sure they have a feature in there that covers their butt. You don't need an $800 lav system. You need something like this that has features designed to help professionals. And this does. This is for beginners getting started. So I would definitely say if you're looking for your first live set, this is a great place to start. Up next, let's talk about the benefits to the client. The true benefit to the client is audio quality. If you're a beginner and you've been recording some other way, on camera mic, shotgun mic, 20 feet away from the client, the benefit to the client is an improvement in your audio quality. Even if you're using this with a cell phone, a DSLR, or a mirrorless, this unit can provide some pretty decent audio quality. The second benefit to the client is the SD card, which can record right on the transmitter. Trust me, I have been in crowded conference rooms and you will get a speaker that's excited and engaged, and it'll just start chopping up and going out, and you're listening to it on your camera like, what the? I am jacked up. I'm missing stuff, but this will help save your butt in that situation. Up next, let's talk about my final thoughts. Keep in mind, this is a great entry-level lav system. It's more than capable of holding its own, and it's great for those that are starting. It doesn't matter if you're filming with a camera or a phone, the LensGo 328C is more than capable of getting the job done. If you're interested in this product, just click the link below. If you're a gold member, check out the gold version of this video where I will discuss how I make money with the LensGo. And we'll go into details about upsell offers using this device. If you're not a gold member, click the link below, become a gold member so I can give you all these business goodies. As always, be inspired, be creative, be profitable.